Alright folks, today's show is on a yacht for the exclusive yacht, luxury yacht charter. As you see, you can read that. This is a small pocket, I don't know why they call it pocket, but anyway, the yacht is there. This is the exclusive X15. There's another one, looks exactly the same, but that's not mine. I don't care, because this is where I'm going to work. Our guests just pouring in. Look at them. Standing in a small queue, going up on the ship. That's good. On the other side, the usual skyscrapers, and then here we go, down there. This is the pocket. That's why you call it. You see that? You see this area here? That's why they call it as a pocket. Okay, and some more tall buildings around here. And if you look around here, this is the Tonight Show. Yeah, it's inside in that small goodie bag. Just as I told you earlier, behind me there is the ship. The boat is there. Luxury Yacht Club is there. And the Tonight Show is me. Oh yeah, a little bit of magic. Don't tell it to anybody, it's a secret thing. Very secret. So let's get on the boat, because I think everybody's bored and they need a magician. Who could it be? Oh, it's me. That's alright guys, here we go. This is the yacht club. Oh sorry, this is the exclusive yacht chartered. That's alright, not so fast. Check out the boat. That's massive. This is the X15 from Exclusive Yachts. And the Tonight Show is on that one. And now I'm already on the back of the yacht, the X15, the exclusive X15. This is the back, and the engine. Oh, they just fired up the engines. Turning somewhere. Oh god, we don't move. Aha, we move out. All right, that's good. So this is the back side, and this is the water side. You can see loads of skyscrapers behind me, just as usual here on the marina. And this is the aft. The aft of the ship is, you know, the back of the ship, with simple words. This is as we're backing out from the harbor and take the road. That's a good word. Take the road over there. Yes, we start to go there between the big, huge buildings, and of course between all the restaurants and crazy people. They are partying every single day everywhere around this place, but that doesn't matter too much to me, because all I have is a magic show to do. And this magic show is close-up magic. One of my favorites. I just love card tricks. Also, you might be wondering, what the hell is this little boat doing here behind us? And why is this boat following us? Let me make a little bit of zoom in. Yeah, that's the boat I'm talking about. You can't see too much of it because it's a bit far now, but they're gonna give me a ride when I want to come back, because I'm not going to stay here until 11 o'clock. Show is from 8 to 9, and then on time, 9 o'clock, I'm out with that little thing, which is a speedboat, and they're going to have me out. So I just jump this ship over to that small one and get out to the port where I parked my car, and let's go home. All over, left and right, all over, people sitting, staring at the water. I don't know what to look here, but anyway, and maybe the boats, the yachts. There are a couple of millions and millions dollars worth of yachts here, going up and down. Some of them special, really special. Oh, there is a yoga club. I didn't even know it. Do you see this? Seriously, that's a yoga club. Okay, anyway. And a bridge. On the other side, some more restaurants. It's too early. After about an hour or two, these restaurants are gonna be full, jam-packed. The Dussit residence and another building. Not ready yet, but believe me, these people in the Arab Emirates are crazy about building stuffs. They just can't stop building something. If there is a place bigger than your tissue, then they build something on it. And they build it fast, very fast. Full power, baby. Another fully packed X type of yacht, and something which is a bit more expensive than those two together. And in the darkness, again, I always make videos in the darkness, I don't know why, but here is the yacht club, and they have plenty of these few $100,000 worth of yachts, smaller, bigger, and you can charter many of them. Few thousand dirham for an hour or two. Of course, food is all inclusive. Now, drinks is a different question. You are in an Arab country, especially in the United Arab Emirates, is not allowed to buy drinks or handle drinks on street or in shopping malls. Wherever you go, you can see look like beer, look like wine, but it's not. No, it's a non-alcoholic beverage, which is look like that you are that kind of absolutely stunning guy who can drink on the street a beer. No, it's not a beer, it's a juice. You can buy beer. Some of the hotels can sell, not to consume somewhere else on the street. No, just right there in the hotel. If you are a guest in the nightclub, might be. So these are the drinking policies in the Arab Emirates. And you know what? It's not bad at all. It's not bad.